move on to a big ET Now exclusive story, and we learn from reliable sources that the government believes that there is strong growth visibility for the economy for at least next 3 years, and that is reflected in the buoyant stock markets. The government is not in favor of any regulatory intervention in the market. My colleague Prakash is here with all those exclusive details, and Prakash, we have a source-based information and pretty positive one, especially when it comes to the view with regards to the stock markets, isn't it?
Yes, we are learning from our sources that the Finance Ministry is not in favor of any regulatory intervention in the stock market. We are given to understand that the government is of the view that over-regulation of market can lead to market nervousness. Therefore, Finance Ministry in favor of free market mechanism. Sources are also saying that the government is committed to predictable and a simple tax regime going forward, and it believes that the fundamentals of the Indian economy are robust. In addition to that, sources are also indicating that the government are in favor of increasing participation of retail investors in the stock market, and there is predictability of high growth in the Indian economy for next 3 years. Along with that, we are also given to understand that the government is of the view that we have reached at a position where financial savings are now migrating to financial market, and stock markets are reflecting the fundamentals of the market.
All right, thank you so much for that, Prakash. Indeed, a big exclusive that the sources have told on the recent market correction, and especially the Finmin view coming in on that particular front. Let me just quickly recap what exactly Prakash was actually telling us about. One very pertinent point is that the Finance Ministry is not in favor of any regulatory intervention in the market. What the government believes, or is the government is of the view that the over-regulation of the market can actually lead to market nervousness. They are committed to predictable as well as simple tax regime. That is what the sources have told the government's view coming in. The sources have also informed ET Now the government is in favor of free market mechanism. The fundamentals of the Indian economy remains robust, and that is indeed reflected as well in the markets, is what the sources have indicated. And one of the big pertinent point, actually, or big takeaway coming in from this entire story, Srishti, has to be the fact that the government or the sources have said that the Finmin is not in favor of any regulatory intervention in the market, and also the government feels that over-regulation of the market can indeed lead to market nervousness. And the fact that the markets are actually seeing good moves, stability, and hitting record high, at least in the year 2020 for the first 3 months, is also because it is reflective of what is exactly happening in the fundamentals of the economy.
Well, yes, Cheryl, because in the recent while, we have seen a lot of changes that are happening, a lot of regulatory action, and the investors were also concerned. So this sort of comments indeed boost the confidence of the investors at least. So that's the exclusive story that we have got for you all. But with this, viewers,